This is a review of graphing lines. So starting with slope-intercept form, remember we need to find the slope and the y-intercept first. So when we're given an equation, we need to find the slope and the y-intercept. So in this example, our slope that they give us is 1/2, and the y-intercept they give us is -3. Remember, the form is y equals mx plus b. M is your slope, b is your y-intercept. So we plot the y-intercept first, so at -3, and then we use the slope to find 2 more points. So a slope of 1/2 means up 1 and right 2, or down 1 and left 2. Once we have those 3 points, we can go ahead and draw our line. Next up, we have point slope form. So remember, point slope form is that y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Comes from having a point and a slope. So the first thing we need to do is plot the starting point. So looking at this equation that we have, y minus 2 equals 1/3 x plus 1. I know that the point in there is -1, 2, coming from that x1, y1. So I'm going to plot that point first. Then I look at the slope, and I know the slope is 1/3, and I use that to graph 2 more points. So that means going up 1 and to the right 3, or down 1 and to the left 3. Once you have those 3 points, go ahead and draw your line. An alternate option, if you have a hard time finding your point from point slope form, you can go ahead and solve for slope-intercept forms. So solve that equation for y by itself, and then you can use the slope-intercept form to graph it. And the last one, we have standard form. Remember, standard form is ax plus by equals c. So the first thing we want to do is find the x-intercept by substituting 0 for y. So in this example, we have 4x minus 0y, or minus 0, equals 12, so x equals 3. So our x-intercept is the point 3, 0. So I'm going to plot that. Then I'm going to do the same thing and find the y-intercept. So -6y equals 12. Oops, forgot the y. Divide by -6, so y equals -2. So our y-intercept is 0, -2. Once we have our x and our y-intercept, go ahead and draw the line between those two. Again, your alternate option is to solve for slope-intercept form and graph from that.